I welcome you, Visalji, in this wonderful session of India English Bolega Abhiyan, a dream to change India. I welcome you. This
Thank you
is
so
Suraj
much, sir.
Kumar, Bokaro Steel City, Jharkhand. Please introduce yourself and tell the people about you a little bit. Please go ahead, speak something.
Yes, sir. Why not? Thank you so much for providing me this wonderful opportunity. As you see, my name is Vishal Duhan. I come from Sonipat, Haryana. I am 30 years old. By profession, I am a railway employee. And in my educational background, I have done post graduation. I am married. I have two children. Nowadays, I am learning spoken English. So this is the reason I am here and talking to you. In my hobbies, I like listening to songs, watching movies, and nowadays spoken English, like talking to strangers. It's my new hobby. It's all about me, sir.
Thank you, Visalji. I welcome you, sir. So today
You're
I
welcome.
have a wonderful question for you, sir. Many
Please, sir.
people they are when they are young and they prepare for any government job, they start their career. The time they think that after getting a job, life will be totally settled. Yeah. So your situation is that you have a great job in railway. Then you tell me, sir, really it is reality that after getting a job, all your, I think, whatever the problems and challenges, all finished. Now your life is totally perfect and you are living the life, heaven life, dream life.
Sir, no, here is nothing like perfection. So, and the main thing is it's a human nature. We never ever satisfied. If we don't have job, so we want job. If we have job, so we compare with our job with another one that he is getting more salary, I get this salary. And in government, it's a only myth. If you will get a government job, so I agree that it's safe and secure, but it's not everything. After getting a job, you will get another challenge, and it's part of life. Every day brings new challenges toward us. So, sir, we have we have to be ready for this change. We have to accept the change. We have to adapt ourselves by the time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Really, this question, I think it was disturbing each and every youngsters. They really want to get a job. Even they are crazy. They are reading all the time. They have sacrificed everything. They think that after getting a job, they will get everything. But this is not reality. And in human psychology, we have like this thought that if we don't have anything, we are excited for that.
Right,
After
right.
getting that, whatever we have the vision that suppose I will have one laptop. Before getting that, I am very excited. I am very excited to get that laptop. But after getting that, there is no excitement. So really, what ever the God has created this mindset and this humanity and the what is this the psychology really it is very difficult, very difficult. Situation
Very
is little
difficult.
bit. So if today you don't have big house, tomorrow you will think that oh my God, if I will have big house, I will be happy. If you don't have good job, one job if I get in my life, I will be very happy. After that, if you don't have a good wife, one wife she will be very beautiful, very sensible. My life will be amazing. So it reminds me that life is a rat trap. Rat trap. Rat trap. Actually, once upon a time when I visited my college, that time one teacher was there and she was teaching me that life is totally rat trap. Rat trap. It's mean that which thing you don't have, you crave for that. When you get, fir another for that. Many people they are earning 5 lakh rupees per month. Still, they are thinking how they can increase their amount. Yes, even many people they earn crores of rupees monthly. However, they think how will be more crores, how it will come. But I tell you, if you run after behind your desires, it goes into the destruction. Desires goes into the destructions. But we should always think about the need. Many people they said, if sir you are not ambitious, then really can you bring the change in your life? But actually we work hard, but for the ambition we should not be crazy. Many people they become really crazy, they are in the depression. Oh my god, what will be of my life? Really my life is many, I think, destroyed. Even many people, I have heard that many people they have committed suicide because they could not crack any exam. So what do you want to say for them, the people they commit suicide after, if they don't get anything, if they have big dream in their life?
Life is the most beautiful gift that God gave us. So know your life's value. It's a more, it's a precious. There is no amount for your life. So it's beyond everything. If if we failed in one examination, so it's only examination. It, maybe God have better plan for you. And it's not reality that in job people are happy, in private people are not happy, in business people are not happy, in farming profession people are not happy. Everywhere you find that all type of people are here. Some they are having their small shops, small grocery shop, and they are happy. Some they have crores of business, but still they are in their family there are dispute, brothers they are not talking with each other, and so they are every day facing many conflicts, many ups and downs in their life, but they have abundance of money. But what is the use of this money? In my opinion, there are three to four pillars of our life. First is family. If we have family, so at least one pillar is strong. The second is health. If we are healthy, so our strong pillar is also like strong. Third is like a career. If we have good career, so definitely in anything, we are don't say that in especially in one field we can make career. So there are various of opportunity. We can make if we can say dream, so we can fulfill our dream. And so if you have career responsibility like job or in third pillar, we can say like wealth. We need money because without money, it's impossible to survive here. Every day we need money. So at least a basic amount of money for survival we need. So three pillars, both are interrelated. If you don't have money, so how can you take care of your family? If you don't care, if you can't take care of your family, so definitely your health will got affected. So it's interrelated. And if you have money, if you don't have family, so what is the use of this wealth? If we
Yes,
have
yes.
wealth and only health, you don't have family. So I think three pillars are equally important.
You are right, sir. You are right. Health, wealth, and relationship. These
Yes,
are
family,
very
friends, and
important.
relationship.
And one is money. Health,
Wealth,
wealth means money.
wealth.
Health, wealth, and relationships. These three things are most important in our life. And if
Right,
we
right, yes.
ignore any these three in our life is not stable. We are not living the good life. And so many people, if they have three things, really they are living wonderful life. I see many people they have
That's
a
it.
lot of money, they are very wealthy, but they don't have good
Yes,
relationships.
right. We see on social media that many cricketer, actors, politicians, they are getting divorced with, and they are living separately from their child, son or daughter. So we see in family common.
So you tell me, I think you are a married person and living your
Yes, I am
married
married.
life. So you give sir any topic, any just you can say tips. You can give the tips for the people for happy married life. How the life will be very good after married.
Okay, first things in married life, we should be real, be genuine. And if you live in present, it's like in reality, so definitely it's like plus point. At least you are not living in imaginary world. So be real and stop comparison, stop comparing. Your life is different, maybe another one's life is different. So whenever we will stop comparison, many of the problems of our life will be sorted out. And another thing, like respect each other. If one person in the job, so he must respect another. Getting a job or like it's not everything. Maybe your wife she is taking care of your family and she have more responsibility. Maybe she have more potential than you, but she did not get opportunity. So respect each other. It's applicable for everyone, like for wife, for husband, for boy or for girl. Respect each other. Be kind and so simple things.
Yes, yes. For a happy married life,
And
there's no
okay, and
comparison.
another thing you okay, and
Hmm.
okay, and last but not least, don't mix your life like personal and professional life. Personal life is different, professional life is different. Some people they mix both things. On like workplace, they are talking about every time personal life, and personal space they are talking about every time professional. So don't mix it. At least set a boundary. We can discuss both things. Like if on at workplace with our close friend, we can share our problem. We can ask them if something if we face an issue. So it's like our duty. We can take help. We can give suggestion. So it's okay. But it don't mix too much. Set a at least boundary that this is the limit. This should be the limit. These things for work. These things for home. So these are simple things, sir. I think in that it should be done.
You are right, sir. Actually, in our professional lives, we have many challenges, many tensions, many problems. And if we mix professional life with the personal life, there will be a hodgepodge, and that is not good. So, if we want
Right,
a
right.
peaceful life, then we should keep this separate professional life and our personal life. And if we do it really, we can bring change in our life, and it will be very nice. So, if you have any question, you can ask me. Otherwise, it is enough for today.
No, sir. Today I don't have too much question. Very soon I'll connect to you and we will talk and I'll ask you many questions as much as possible.
So, thank you, Visalji, and for your valuable time. And really, I respect you. Whatever the ideas you have said with me, that is valuable. And thank you for your valuable time. We will next in another meeting. Okay.
It's my
So,
it's my pleasure, sir. Nice to talk to
thanks.
you. Bye. Take care.
Bye.